The machine here, people. Reggae boys. Leland, see him come there. Make sure give me light, people. The machine there. See that, people? Machine on the St. Thomas Road. One more the machine here, people, on the St. Thomas Road. We have to look how the big vehicle them traverse that road at daytime. How they manage the road. So far, them are going good on the dirt road out here. Yeah. On it, look on it. Chris, on it. That machine, that people machine, I manage the St. Thomas Road, the dust and dirt road. One more I come through the dust and dirt road here, out of St. Thomas. One more the big machine them, people. Yeah, on the dusty road here. What kind of, it looks like a Mack. It's a Mack this, you know? Yeah, this is a Mack. Let me stop and take a look on him. He look nice and clean, and them are going. Them are come through nice and decent. And let me give me man. Give me a toast. You see that? See the Mack, people. Look on the Mack. Chuck off class that, you know. I go through the dust and dirty road out here. So St. Thomas. Yeah, my viewers and sub. Big Super is out on the dust and dirt road in St. Thomas. I tell you, with the out on the dust and dirt road here. You see what the dirt and dust road look like? Welcome to the dirt and dusty road. License, Retreat, Prospect, Dumfries, you name it. 5 miles of dirt and dusty road. Dirt and dusty road in St. Thomas. Yeah. Oh. Dirt and dusty road. I don't know if the lungs can keep up. People them in Eastern St. Thomas, if their lungs can hold out with all of them are dirt and dust. All of them are dirt and dust on this road here. Down a lower retreat here. I don't know if their lungs can hold out. Yeah, don't know, boy, I tell you. Alright. Yeah. Pure dust and dirt, people. 4 years. It's gone in 4 years now. Yeah. Gone in 4 years. Dirt and dust. Yeah. You can't wash clothes. You can't wash no clothes. You can't wash no clothes and put on your line. Yeah. And you know, say, them a go white and pure dust. Pure dust and take them over. Can't wash no clothes, put on your line. Yeah. All of the trees them in your yard white like chalk. Your veranda, your bed, your nostril. Yeah. Pure dust. I don't know how much more years St.Thomas people them can live with that dust, yeah. Maybe the next 4 years. Yeah. I don't know. Pull up the comment section. I don't want to see me have my dust mask. Yeah. Well mask up. To prepare for the dust. I walk all the way from Prospect. Pick up some of the truck driver them mess up on the road. Yeah, see how them angle the road. It's a dirt and dust road, yeah. And me there. I come right down in a Johnson crossing. And I tell you, dirt and dust. I don't know. Respiration sickness must take over the parish. Yeah. Must take over the parish. Yeah, people. I tell you, say respiration sickness, the ability to breathe proper, and all them things with them whole of dust, yeah. Tell you, with them whole of dust, yeah, we must have some respiration issue. And I tell you, you know, pretty. But we are walking out this morning. Yeah, we are walk from Prospect, come down to Retreat, and we are head to License. And we just look on the dirt and dusty road in a St. Thomas. Tell you, dirt and dust. We don't see the water truck, we don't know. Maybe it gone on leave, could all gone on holiday. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it not come. That is another issue, but you know, dirt and dust. Yeah, basically the whole mark are excellent. You have to see it. I say my camera take over by dust. Watch it, people. Dirt and dust. Where is the asphalt? The asphalt migrate. Yeah, whoa. But I let me down for overtake. My viewers and sub. Big super dip on the ground. Yeah? I'm here to tell you, dirt and dust is the whole mark of excellent. Dirt and dusty road. Yeah. We are enter the community license. And we are look at it. Dirt and dusty road. Yeah, dry, you know, so a dry time, you know, in the January area. Rain not fall. And we don't know where the water truck there. Trust me. They must forget a water truck can live here 24/7. Yeah. Dirt and dusty improvement project. Yeah, my viewers and sub. Dirt and dusty improvement project. May I tell you, you don't know the people that manage it down on them side there. 7 days a week. Yeah, 24 hours. Trust me. Dirt and dust. May I tell you, boy. You don't know they manage it. A straight dirt and dust. Yeah. Straight dirt and dust. The bridge of people. I make fun whap it up. See there? 4 years it ago now. I don't know when it will complete. But slowly but surely. That's what the song say. Surely but slowly you get in there. Give them my next 4 years, I might can done it in them time there. A whole heap of work them have to do. Upon the dirt and dusty road. Yo, me I tell you, it look like they take out the water truck for good. Yo, I pure dust and dirt. Yeah, so we did down in a license. My viewers and sub. We're up on the ground, we are walk. And we are take a look. A short man, a short pass. And we take a look on the dirt and dusty road out in a St. Thomas. Yeah. I don't want to say 4 years, but it cross over in our next year. So it look like our next 4 years on the dirt and dusty road in a St. Thomas. Yeah. Out in a license St. Thomas. Out on the dirt and dusty road. Yeah. Heading in the direction of License Beach. Yeah. Bless up. People are called to me. Yeah. Out up on the dirt and dusty road, yeah. But I tell you, but they manage to cook. And with this, but them all up dirt and dust, yeah. So what is? What kind of something this, people? What is? What is? What is? What that? What that? You see that? On the dirt and dusty road in a St. Thomas. Yeah. How they manage to cook? How they manage cooking at them at dust, sir? I pay dirt and dust people they're supposed to eat. No, sir. Your fruits them on your tree full of dirt and dust. Your clothes on your line full of dirt and dust. Car a drive, truck a drive past. Pay dirt and dust. Yo, we don't know how the people them live with 4 years of this year. And I look like the next 4 years. No, sir. Can't believe it. On the dirt and dust road in a St. Thomas. But me just talked to one lady around us a while ago. And the lady said, you want to go in our house, go see in there. No, sir. No, I don't know if this is wickedness. But this is something though. Me have to mask up for walk on the road, you know, people. Big super for mask up. Just to walk and show them the little clip. We come through the road there. You just imagine the people that will live two sides on the main road there. In the dirt and dust. Then supposed to have respiration, illness. I have to live with this every day. And the water truck come when him feel like. No, sir. And a pretty thing. Yeah. See a trucker come at people. And I come out from the road so I have to feature the big truck them. Yeah, listen on big truck. But I see one come here on the road. Yeah, so a nice size truck here. A man over the dirt and dust road here. Yeah, I'm fully loaded. I'm have on the material. It look like an international. Bless up. See it there? The viewers and some. Yeah. They're on the dirt and dusty road. They have bunks and I go through. They have on gravel. Yeah, man. And they are doing things out here in a St. Thomas. Out of license on the dirt and dusty road. Right. May I tell you, a man tell me say he can't cook if he open the pot. He must just put on the food in the pot and lock it up. I know so when the pot done cook, he lock off the fire. You can't open the pot and look in it. And if you open the pot, and looking at it, I pay dust. No, sir. It's a normal thing. It's a out of license. Dirt and dusty road, boy. How much more years are this? Are this a dirt and dusty road there? Big super. Just come through the community license. Oh, go on, Clarity. The Clarity boss there, people. He look like he love the dirt and dusty road. Yeah. How much more years are these people? I want to full up the comment section. We are heading at 4 years. Yeah. When you feel when you can manage the next 4 more, a whole heap of road, you know. Whole heap of community, whole heap of places, and a whole heap of things on the dirt and dusty road. It's when when the vehicle them come around the corner here. But I don't know them shop people around, but we have them shop here, so but I lock up the door and the window them. Yeah. I'm going to open my shop door. Couldn't manage them at us, boy. No, sir. To the Princess Margaret Street there. Big super. Up on the street. We are head towards Princess Margaret. When viewers and sub, we don't know how they manage them are dirt and dust out on this stretch of road there. Boy, you know one time you say you don't want a house right at the roadside. Well, at this how we come with living at the roadside. You're going to end the blog right down where the road I broke way, right down here so I'm going to see. But up on the compound at the beautiful License Beach. Yeah, and you know, so you have one part, so which part for the longest while I undermine. Through no rain or fall, it kind of slow down, you know. But I'm going to make you see what I go on, what I go on before I end the blog. I now go call it urgent again. I just going to just make you decide who I'm going to call it. Some of viewers and sub, just do the right thing. You understand? Go down in the description. I want to see me have some item. See if you can purchase one or two of the items them on Amazon for me. Because I need them to upgrade the thing. You understand me? Like, share, subscribe. You understand? Full up the thing with a comment and just do the right thing. Alright? Love you. Peace out.